This is Sports and Wave by Soft Sheen Carson. I use this as my edge cream, believe it or not. It's a pomade, so it's a max hold for these edges. This particular canister comes in 3.5 ounces, regular twist off top. This is what it looks like on the inside. Very thick. Okay. It's a very faint light scent. All right, I would take this and basically put on my edges. I'm not going to put that much on there. I just want to show you. Take my brush, brush it in, and then I will put my wrap around it so it'll stick in place until I'm getting where I need to go. Pomades can also be used on your ends, sometimes to help with split ends. I do that on my frizzy days before I can get into the beautician to cut my split ends. So I use them on my edges and to tame my ends. But be careful not to put too much, because if you put too much, it's going to be very hard to get out, and we don't want those problems.